We're gonna help Mama? We're gonna help Mama? Hey guys, what's up? This is Gia. For those of you that have been following, she is just over 10 months now. She's huge. You're almost a year. How did that happen? I feel like I just had you. Yeah. Yeah, she's got her cracker. So I'm gonna try to get through this video without her getting too crazy. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just want to put that out there because I have seen a ton of sponsored Temu videos out there and I just don't know what to believe. If you guys don't want to hear all of my spiel, I will put a timestamp down below when I'm going to actually get into the unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Back in February, I want to say, Temu reached out to me and they wanted me to do a sponsored video. And at that time, I had no idea what Temu was. I had never even heard of it. I was like, I get so many random emails every week that just for random products. And I was like, yeah, I don't know what that is. So I just kind of, you know, whatever, didn't respond. And then a couple months later, I got another email. And by this point, I was kind of starting to hear a little bit more about it, but I still didn't want to do a sponsored video because, I don't know, I was like, no. So I would say in the last month, I have literally seen like half of the people I'm subscribed to on YouTube have done a sponsored video for Temu. So I was like, okay, this must be kind of a thing. So I decided to download the app and check it out for myself. This video is not sponsored though. They did not give me money for any of these products. I went on there on my own and I wanted to just see for myself. The reason I was going on there was because I was looking on Amazon for a new shower squeegee and they were like 20 bucks. So I was like, I'm gonna go on Temu and see if I could find one for cheaper. Well, guess what guys? I did. It was like half the price. Not only half the price, but with Temu, you can get a crap load of coupons. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'll put up some screenshots and show you guys. I ended up ordering 3 different times because the first time they got me, they were like, order whatever in the next however long and we'll give you $120. And I was like, what? So I just started kind of going through, picking out stuff I really didn't need, but I wanted to see what it was all about. So my first order was like $18, my second order was like $15, and my third order was like $16, something like that. It's unbelievable what I got for like around $50. Plus my husband actually went on and ordered a bunch of stuff. He ordered $50 worth of stuff too, and I think I'm gonna unbag that stuff as well just to see the quality of it. Spoiler alert, I got my first package yesterday and I did open it up because I just couldn't wait. But I want to get into it and show you guys what I got and tell you how much everything was. Like it's insane how cheap everything is, but it seems to be really good quality. All right, so I'm gonna put you down and then I'm gonna get into it, okay? You eat your cracker. Oh, I love you. Okay, so this is how everything came. I just kind of ripped into it. I'm sure you guys have seen these bags all over the place. These are the orange Temu bags. So yeah, 2 of my orders actually did come in here together. And I have another order coming hopefully in the next couple days. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys this first because, okay, yeah, I fell for it. This was one of the first things that I ordered when they said the $120 things. This thing popped up and I was like, you know what? I want to see what the big stink is about. I bought one of the cups as big as your head. So this is one of the Stanley Cup dupes. This thing is so nice. I'm shocked. This thing was under $7. That is insane. And I do not own a Stanley Cup, nor will I ever spend that much money on a cup, but I did look up like a picture of it and it looks identical to this. So I was shocked. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I love that it has a lid. I love that it's slim right here. It can fit in your cup holder. Normally I use these simple modern ones, I believe. I get these off of Amazon and these are $30. This was under $7. Insane. And it's, I mean, the same quality basically. And this one's bigger. This is 40 ounces. Pleasantly surprised by this. There's a bunch of different colors. I got the light purple one. But yeah, I was pleasantly shocked by this. Alright, so this was kind of the reason that I placed an order in the first place. The box is a mess. Luckily what's in it is fine, but yeah, this thing has been through it. So this is the shower squeegee. Like I said, the ones on Amazon were like $20. So this was $9.34, and it is literally, like, I think it's the same one off of Amazon because even some of the pictures were the same. And this is so pretty. It's like really good quality. It's kind of heavy. I'm very excited about this. We needed a new one, and I do wish it had like a little place to hang it or somehow to hang it, but that's okay. The next thing I'm going to talk about, I'm actually wearing one of them. This was a 3-pack of little sports bras. I don't know that I would work out in them, but they're perfect just for everyday wear. I like to sleep in these. They're just really comfortable. So it came with this pink color, and it came with a blue and kind of like a light pink, nudish color, kind of. So that's what these look like, and it has like a little bit of padding in it, and I love how the straps are in the back. Crisscross, and I'll show you mine. I'll turn around here in a second. But I just love these, and they're so soft. I can't get over how soft they are. I got mine in the size medium just because I like them to be a little bit bigger. But yeah, $15 for 3 of these. I was pleasantly surprised. Okay, so the next thing in here, I was super excited about these, but I was nervous. Like, I didn't really know about sizing because this stuff is coming from China, and I know that their sizes sometimes run a little bit small, but I did order a small in these, and they're just little athletic shorts, kind of like high-waisted, no pockets or anything, but they've got like the elastic, really thick elastic band, and they're kind of wrinkly, but they are so cute. I love them. You guys, these were $5.69. What? That is insane. So, and I'm pleasantly surprised. They're very, very thin. Like, don't get me wrong. They're not like, they're very, there's not much to them, but these are perfect for summer. Like, you could wear them over your swimsuit. I don't know that I'll work out in them. I don't know. Maybe I will if it's hot enough. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm probably going to order these in a few more colors. So the last thing on these 2 orders, this is the Super Clean. It's like that cleaning slime, and I bought it to try out in my car. Like, it's supposed to be really good to get the crumbs and stuff out of your car. This was $4.29. And I've seen it elsewhere for like $15. Amazon, I think it's like $15, so I was shocked. And you get quite a bit in here too. Yeah, that's what this looks like. It's just pretty much just slime, but you use it to clean, and I don't think you're supposed to wash it or anything. I wasn't sure like how you cleaned it, or I don't know. They say just to kind of, it absorbs dirt and dust in cavities, ideal for all devices and surfaces. I don't know. I really don't understand how it works. Oh my gosh, it's like chaos here. This is why I haven't uploaded videos, you guys. It's pure chaos. Here, I'm gonna show you what I'm saying. Oh, Gia! Yeah, yeah, she's getting a little more mobile. She's moving the camera now. Gia, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, guys, so that is the first order. I will be back when the second order arrives, and then I will film my husband's order as well. So see you soon. Okay, hey guys, we're back. It's a couple days later. I have a couple updates. The baby is in here again, so if you hear screaming, I apologize. I'm gonna try to get through this quickly because, yeah, she wants to pull the camera down right now. So I have an update. My cup, I broke the lid. We were walking into the gym, and I put it in the cup holder on the stroller, and that thing has always been wonky, and it flipped, and this thing flew out, and it sounded like glass breaking. It was so loud, but the actual cup is fine. It was just the lid that broke right here. So I decided to go on Temu and see if they had replacement lids, and guess what? They do. I ordered one for $2.50, but the minimum order on there is $10. So I'll probably do another video because this one's getting to be too long. So I will probably unbox my husband's stuff and then my new order on a different video. But let me just tell you. So I added the lid to the cart, and I ordered like one other thing because I didn't realize there was a minimum. So I went to check out, and it said, oh, you have to order $10, whatever. She's gonna move the camera right here. So long story short, I had to order 7 things in order to get to the $10 mark, so that I could actually place an order, because it kept adding coupons on there, and my total was under $10. So you guys, I got 7 items for like $9. It's insane. So subscribe if you guys want to see what I got on that order, because that will be in a different video just because I don't have enough time in this one. So there's 2 baby items I'm going to get through first because I'm going to give them to her so that maybe she'll chill out. So the first, oh my God. Gia is just staring at me. How do babies, like babies, they know how to push buttons already. All right, so the first thing I got is this cute little remote for her. She loves playing with our little Fire Stick remotes. And so I was like, you know what? This thing looks kind of realistic. So yeah, this cute little remote, it says Netflix, Hoo-Hoo, YouTube, and Disney. I think it's so cute. But it's rubbery, so it's like a good little teether. Do you like that? And I don't know the prices, you guys. I'm not gonna look right now because of her, but I will put them up on the screen. Like I said, when I was editing, I noticed that the prices change a lot. So yeah, you will notice that the prices seem to fluctuate quite a bit, but dude, oh, this is the new game. So I will put the prices up, and yeah. So the next thing that we got, this was a little baby item. Now this, I guess I didn't look at the dimensions. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but honestly, this is like a perfect size. So, and this was, I want to say this was around $6, but it's kind of noisy. It's just a little cube, and there's these little elastic strings here, and they separate, and the babies can take them in and out. And it just kind of teaches them hand-eye coordination. And it came with all the little toys in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little toys. I think there's only 5. There might have been 6. Did you lose one? But yeah, I thought that was really cute. It's all plastic. It's just like a plastic little cube. Very, very simple, but she really likes it. And it's noisy. They like the rattly, noisy toys. Do you want to play with this? Okay, this other item in here, this was like, I don't know, it was like $1 or $2. But it's one of those dirty and clean things that you can put on your dishwasher. It's just a little magnet. And one side says dirty and one side says clean. It's very, very simple. I mean, not the greatest quality, but it's literally a magnet. So it doesn't need to be super great quality. I just loved like the design on it. I thought it was really pretty. And they did have quite a few different color options for these as well. All right, so the next 2 items are actually swimsuits. I was very leery when I saw these on there, but they were so cute. You guys, these swimsuits were like under $7. One of them might have been 7 something. One of them was like 6 something. And I have thoughts. So I did already open them and I did already try them on. This is the first one. It is so cute. Here's the front and then the back. It's a little cheeky, not too cheeky, not like a thong by any means. And then it just has the top. It's kind of like a little sports bra top. It does have adjustable little things on the back. There is a little bit of padding in there. I got the size medium. It's a perfect fit and it's actually really cute. I was shocked for the price. Yeah. And I'm glad that it fits because I didn't really want to have to send anything back. I'm not exactly sure about their return policy, but I didn't want to have to return anything. All right, so this next one, this is so cute. And then I'll tell you guys my thoughts on the swimsuits. So this is the bottoms for this one. It's about the same in the back, but I love this little elastic piece right here. I just thought this was so cute and playful. And then the top, there's no, you can't adjust it or anything, but it actually fits perfect. It's kind of like a sports bra. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there that the swimsuits, okay, I can't say all of the swimsuits, but the 2 swimsuits I just got are the same suits you would get off of Shein, like these same exact suits. I have one actually, hold on. It's actually a suit from Shein that I got maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, the tags are identical. The Temu one just doesn't say Shein. They're the same, you guys. They're the same. Okay, so here's the Shein suit with the tag. It's like one of those plasticky materials. You guys, this is the Temu one. It is the same tag. It just doesn't say Shein. I don't know. Is this kind of like a standard for what the tags look like? No, I'm kind of convinced. They're all from China, so I'm kind of convinced that these suits are going to be like the same ones you would get off of Shein. And I like Shein swimsuits. I think they're good quality. I've ordered quite a few of them and the sizes seem to be pretty decent. I get size medium for myself and they fit very good. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised by these swimsuits. And overall, I've been So yeah, overall, I have been very pleasantly surprised by the quality of the products I've gotten. I know it's probably not a popular opinion with all this fast fashion and cheap stuff, but if you can get it for cheaper and it works, I mean, why not? I hate to say it, but like, I don't even want to go on Amazon anymore because everything on Amazon you can get on Temu for cheaper. Like I said, this video is not sponsored at all, but so far I'm impressed. They might be my go-to, and as far as shipping, you get it within like less than a week, I would say. So I've been very happy with that. Overall, I'm happy with all the products. I'm blown away by the swimsuits. I live out here in Arizona, so our suits don't really last more than a season anyway. So if I could spend $7 on a swimsuit, I'm good with that. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys ordered from them yet? Do you like it? What are your thoughts? I'm curious to hear. Gia, do you want to say bye-bye? Want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, I'm going to do another unboxing, so if you guys want to stay for that, make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all soon. Bye. Oh, can you say bye-bye? Where's Gia? Where's Gia? Oh, you're so cute.